Today's Supreme Court ruling on guns could have far-reaching implications for the right to carry in states across this country. So our Devin Dwyer spoke to the advocates who brought the case and are cheering today's ruling, as well as those concerned about the potential fallout.
The decision is a win for gun owners like Cheryl Apple, a mother of 5 and small business owner we met in upstate New York, and who told us she needs a loaded concealed handgun in public for her safety.
The uptick in violence has just been astronomical. The gun violence. I just felt that I needed to be able to protect myself.
Self-protection was at the heart of the Supreme Court's decision today and on the minds of thousands of gun-owning Americans who want their weapons close at hand. Apple was approved for a license under New York's concealed carry law, but it wasn't easy to get.
The Second Amendment does not end at your doorstep.
Tom King, president of New York State Rifle and Pistol Association, brought the Supreme Court case, hoping to take down the state's requirement of a proper cause to carry a gun.
Proper cause is a restriction. It's something that the anti-gunners put in there to keep the guns out of the hands of lawful citizens in New York State.
Today, King telling ABC News his group's 27,000 gun owners, many of whom were denied concealed carry permits, are ecstatic.
I've been hearing from California, New Jersey, and other states, people calling up and saying thank you because it's ultimately going to affect us here. And, you know, it was such a breath of fresh air for the Second Amendment people.
The ripple effects will reach far beyond New York. 8 other states, home to around 80 million Americans, have similar concealed carry rules that now all could be rolled back.
That requirement for showing a heightened need for self-defense, that was the teeth of these permitting laws. We can expect in the future that more people will be carrying handguns on the streets in places like Los Angeles, Boston, and New York City because of this decision today.
And that most concerns people like Albany, New York Mayor Kathy Sheehan, who fears more guns, even in the hands of licensed and trained citizens, will mean a tinderbox on her streets.
The types of disputes that would be settled by people yelling at each other, maybe engaging in a fist fight, are being settled with guns. Even people who are well trained, who are prepared and carry a gun, oftentimes have to make split-second decisions that they then regret.
It's ludicrous. That doesn't happen. We are the lawful, legal citizens of the state. You know, most of us have training, and we're not going to start a gun battle over an argument for a parking spot. Okay, that doesn't happen.
Many states have dropped licensing requirements altogether in recent years. 25 states allow gun owners to carry a concealed weapon without a permit. But Justice Brett Kavanaugh today making clear that states can still require them, writing the court's decision does not prohibit states from imposing licensing requirements for carrying a handgun for self-defense. The court also left untouched restrictions on where guns are carried, sensitive places like subways or sports stadiums, even if people have permits.
That sensitive places doctrine was not at issue in this case and still exists. And one of the things I would expect to see in the coming months and years is a lot of focus on whether or not enough places are deemed sensitive right now.
Do we really want a whole bunch of Cheryls running around with pistols in the grocery store? And
we probably do, because Cheryl is trained. I feel proficient with my weapon. I feel secure with my weapon, and I feel confident with my weapon. I don't think the Cheryls are the one out there that are hurting people and committing the crimes and being unsafe with their guns.
You ever worry you might make a mistake? Accidentally shoot somebody or shoot the wrong person?
No, I don't. I would have before I took this class, but now I don't, not at all.
A vote of confidence for concealed carry. As tonight, American gun owners celebrate a landmark victory at the Supreme Court.
Hi everyone, George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.